Why is organizing business expense receipts crucial, and how can it be done efficiently? Hey, I'm Caitlin Lawrence, VP of Finance from the Tax Force in Sarnia. Today, we're diving into strategies for efficiently organizing business expense receipts. Staying on top of your receipts is more than just a good habit. It's key to managing your finances and preparing for tax season without distress. Let's start with understanding why organized records are a game changer for any business owner. First, keeping your receipts in order ensures accuracy in your financial records. It's not just about knowing what you spent, but also why and when. As someone who deals with the CRA every day, what I'll tell you is this: the more detail you provide, the happier they are, and the smoother things go. If things seem sketchy and they get suspicious that you're trying to pull a fast one, you'll probably get flagged and wind up being reviewed regularly. So, if you go out to eat and pay for lunch for you and a client, write on the back, lunch meeting with business person from business place, discussing business thing, and file that receipt away right away. Whatever you're buying, just note exactly what it is for on every receipt. Now, how about we explore some practical tips for organizing these receipts? So, digital organization systems are a lifesaver. From apps that scan and categorize receipts to cloud storage, the digital world offers endless possibilities. And honestly, it's hard to really get across how much better digital organization systems like Dext are compared to, say, having a client plop down 300 receipts in a box at the last minute. Not fun, guys. Not fun. Physical filing systems can be fine as long as they're in the right order. And they still hold value, especially for those who prefer a tangible record-keeping method. Thanks for checking out the video, and remember to use the Tax Force.